could stand next to you 1 year, and next year they cannot stand there. They just going crazy and screaming. They just can't take it that you're right there.
I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the funk, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where those cowards going. Well, all your skill down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hit the motherfuckers up when you pass by. Until I die, living like a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things. I vibed up below, hands wanting flashing rings. Bitches pursue me like a dream. Been known to disappear before your eyes like a dope dream. It seems my main thing was to be major. Pay the game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Say money bring bitches, bitches bring lies. One nigga's getting jealous and motherfuckers die. Depend on me like the first and 15. Might hold you for a second, but you won't get me. We got 4 niggas and low riders. The ski mask screaming thug like every time they pass. All eyes on me. Living life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Living life of a boss player. All eyes on me. Living life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Living life of a boss player. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. All eyes on me, living life with a thug nigga till the day I die. Living life as a boss player, all eyes on me. The feds is watching, niggas plotting to kill me. Will I survive, will I die? Come on, let's picture the possibilities of giving me charges. Lawyers making a grip, I told the judge I was raised wrong, and that's why I blaze shit. Was hyper as a kid, cold as a teenager. On my move, calling big shots. On the scene, major, packing hundreds in my drawers. Fuck the law, bitches, I fuck with a passion. I'm living rough and raw, catching cases at a fast rate, rolling in the fast lane. Hustle till the morning, never stop until the cash came. Live my life as a thug nigga till the day I die. Live my life as a boss player, just even getting high. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga, make these motherfuckers suffer. Up in the pins, burning rubber. The money is mandatory, the hoes is for the stress. This criminal lifestyle, you fuck up the bulletproof vest. Make sure your eyes is on the meal ticket. Get your money, motherfucker, let's get rich and real. Kick it, all eyes on me. Living life is a thug nigga till the day I die. Living life is a boss player, all eyes on me. All eyes on me, living life with a thug nigga till the day I die. Living life with a boss player, all eyes on me.